Hello everyone, today we're going to compare N26, Revolut, and Wise, three popular digital banking platforms. So N26 is a mobile-first bank that offers streamlined banking services, including fee-free accounts, mobile payments, and intuitive budgeting tools, designed for simplicity and ease of use. Revolut, on the other hand, is a financial super app that combines banking, currency exchange, and crypto trading, offering global accounts with features like spending analytics, budgeting, and multi currency support. While Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, focuses on international money transfers and borderless banking, allowing users to hold and transfer money in multiple currencies at low fees with transparent exchange rates. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for N26, Revolut, and Wise, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about core focus first, N26 is a digital banking service with a focus on personal business accounts. Revolut, on the other hand, offers or focuses on multi-currency accounts and financial management. Wise offers or focus on international money transfers with multi-currency accounts. When it comes to account types, N26 they offers personal business account and premium tiers account, while Revolut they offers personal account, business, and junior accounts. While Wise they also offers personal accounts, business, and freelancer accounts. For currency exchange, N26 they are free in-app currency conversion at interbank rates, while Revolut they have free up to a certain limit, after which fees apply. And for Wise, they offers currency exchange at real market rates. For international transfer and 26, they have limited international money transfer options. Revolut, they have international transfer via bank or card, but fees may vary. While Wise, they specialize in low-cost international money transfers. So yes, that's it. And when it comes to cryptocurrency support and 26, no cryptocurrency support. Revolut, on the other hand, yes, they allows buying, holding, and selling crypto. And same thing with Wise, they have no cryptocurrency support. For ATM withdrawals, N26 offers pre-withdrawals up to a certain limit and fees apply after that. While Revolut, same thing, free up to a certain limit, then fees apply. While Wise, they have no ATM withdrawals directly through link card service. When it comes to saving and investment, N26 spaces for saving goals, no investment options. Revolut, they have stock trading, crypto, and commodities investment so that you can hold and you can save. While Wise, they have no saving or investment options. Lastly, for mobile app, N26, they have a user-friendly, streamlined design mobile application. Revolut, they have comprehensive financial management features on their mobile application. While Wise, they have simple focus on international transfer and exchange. And yes, that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go to pricing. When it comes to having a pre-plan, and 26 they have it, yes, with limitation on withdrawals and fewer premium features. Revolut, yes, also includes basic features with limits. And Wise, they have no pre-plan, only per transfer fees apply. When it comes to paid plan, N26 starts at 4.9 euro dollars per month, which is the smart subscription, up to 16.9 euro dollars per month, which is the metal subscription. Revolut, on the other hand, starts at 2.99 euro dollars per month, which is the plus, up to 12.99 euro dollars per month, which is the metal. So that's it. For the Wise, they have no subscription, but they charge per transaction. International bank fees, international transfer fees, and 26 have no dedicated international transfer service. While Revolut, they have up to 1,000 euro dollars per month free, then fees apply. And lastly, for Wise, they have low transfer fees, transparent pricing based on amount and currency. For the ATM fees, N26 is free up to 3 to 5 withdrawals per month, then the fees apply. Revolut, free up to a limit, then fees apply. Same thing with N26. And lastly, Wise, they have no direct ATM access through the Wise app only. For the currency conversion fees, N26 is free within the Eurozone. Currency exchange fees apply outside. And Revolut, they have free up to 1,000 euro dollars per month. After that, fees apply. Lastly, for Wise, they have mid-market rate exchange with low fees on each transfer. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go to performance. When it comes to speed and reliability, N26 is fast for local transaction, reliable for personal banking. Revolut also is reliable and fast and local transfer, international. For Wise, they are extremely fast and reliable for international transfer. For currency exchange, N26 is basic but limited compared to Revolut and Wise. Revolut, on the other hand, they have multi-currency options with more flexibility. And Wise, they have a real market exchange rates with minimal fees. Lastly, for scalability, N26 is designed for individuals and small businesses. Revolut, on the other hand, suitable for individuals, businesses, and freelancers. Lastly, for Wise, they are highly scalable with or for frequent international transfer. And when it comes to ease of use, N26 is simple, intuitive, user-friendly. Revolut is more feature-rich, slightly more complex. Wise is focused on easy to use for international payments. Lastly, for global reach, N26 is best for European customer. Revolut, on the other hand, is wide reach. They have wide reach with international features. And Wise, they have a global presence with over 50 currencies supported, which is quite good. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go to customer support. When it comes to availability, N26 have email and in-app chat support 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. CET. While Revolut, they have 24/7 support, in-app chat support for premium users, limited for free users. For Wise, they have email and chat support available during business hours. For support channels, N26 offers in-app and email chat support. When it comes to Revolut, they have in-app chat, phone support for premium plan only, while Wise, they have in-app chat, emails, and extensive help articles. When it comes to response time, N26 is quick for premium users, slower for free users, while Revolut, they are fast for paid users, slower for free-tier users, same thing with N26, while Wise, they are generally responsive, and chat support may always have delays. Lastly, for community and resources, N26 have help center, tutorials, and online community. Revolut have extensive facts, online community, and tutorials, while Wise, they have a large knowledge base with detailed guides and facts. So that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the feature, pricing, performance, and customer support comparison. Now let's go to pros and cons. When it comes to pros of N26, let's start with this. They have a great for personal and small businesses banking with expense tracking and budgeting features. They have intuitive and modern mobile app that is easy to use. And lastly, they have free plan available, making it accessible for users who just starting with digital banking. For the cons, N26 have limited international money transfer options, especially compared to Revolut and Wise. They are primarily focuses on European customers only with fewer service outside the EU. And lastly, they have no cryptocurrency or investment features, making it less versatile than Revolut. That's it for the N26 pros and cons. When it comes to Revolut pros and cons, for pros, they offers a wide range of financial services, including crypto trading, stock investments, and saving vaults. They are great for frequent travelers and users dealing with multiple currencies. They have flexible pricing plans with the free options, suitable for casual and advanced users alike. And for the cons, Revolut, some features are locked behind higher tier subscription plans. They have customer support and is limited for pre-tier users with a faster service available only for premium plans. And lastly, they have international transfer limits in the pre-plan may not suit users making frequent large transfer. So that's it for the Revolut pros and cons. So now we're done with this. Let's go to Wise pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Wise is excellent for international money transfers with low fees and real market exchange rates. Their supports over 50 currencies, making it ideal for user handling multiple currencies. And they have transparent pricing structure with no hidden fees or monthly subscription required. And for the cons, Wise have no traditional banking service like loans, savings account, or ATM access, and they lack features such as stock or crypto trading available in Revolut. And lastly, their customer support can be slow at times, especially for urgent issues. So that's it for the Wise pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose N26. N26 is referable for someone who needs a simple, easy to use digital bank for personal or small business use. Someone who is primarily based on Europe and deals with Euro transactions frequently. And someone who wants basic budgeting and expense tracking tools built into their banking app. And lastly, someone who prefers an intuitive mobile banking experience without the need for complex features. So if you have all of these qualities right here, N26 is the choice for you. For the people who should choose Revolut, Revolut is referable for someone who frequently travels or handles multiple currency and needs flexible currency conversion. Someone who wants additional features like cryptocurrency, stock trading, and saving vaults. Someone who seeks a well-rounded financial management tool with budgeting, investment, and payments all in one app. Lastly, someone who prefers customizable subscription tiers based on their financial needs with options for premium services. So if you have all of these qualities, Revolut is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Wise, Wise is referable for someone who makes frequent international money transfers and values low-cost, transparent fees. Someone who handles multiple currencies and wants a multi-currency account with real market exchange rates. Someone who prefers to avoid monthly subscription fees and pay only for what they use. And lastly, someone who is looking for straightforward, no frills platforms for currency exchange and international payments. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Wise is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, all platforms have each offer distinct advantages based on the type of financial services you need. N26 is straightforward digital bank ideal for personal and small business banking, especially in Europe. Revolut offers a broader range of financial services, including multi-currency management, investment, and cryptocurrency. And lastly, Wise excels in international money transfer, offering low-cost transaction with real exchange rates ideal for those dealing with multiple currency globally. So explore each platform to find the one that best suits your financial needs, whether it's daily banking, investment tools, or international money management. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.